Hello again, this is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, coming to you from Jackson, Georgia. Today's truck is a 2025 Peterbilt 589. It's in legendary gray, and it also has the legendary package. It has the Peterbilt script on the hood, stainless fenders. It's got the 13,200 pound steer axle capacity with air ride. 40,000 pound rears, 355 gears, it's 280 inch wheelbase, riding around in 11R 22.5s. It's got the Peterbilt wheels on it, extra frame mounted storage toolboxes. Some extra lights in front of and behind the air cleaners. Got your bumper guide poles. Let's have a look underneath the hood. Check out that power plant. There we have your 565 horse, 2050 torque X15 Cummins. Dual airbag, air ride suspension. Let's take a look inside. Your Peterbilt script in the door panels. It has heated and ventilated driver and passenger side leather seats, carpeting. We put some extra sill plates in here and pedal covers, kind of dial it up a little bit. It's a Cobra CB radio. Some extra gauges. Got your pull-out workstation over here in the dash. And in the bunk area, big back window, your bump controls, plenty of extra power outlets, some storage down here, another pull-out workspace, some additional storage over here, a mirror on the door. Pull out organizer down here at the bottom. So if you think this truck will work for you, give me a call, 706-372-4698. Or you can email me rvargo@peatlanta.com.